you can plan a route with several destinations, at least 10, but maybe more. And you can also interchange modified destination in between them, add, remove as well. Let's just start first. Usually you would just type in an address here, but just because it's easier for me, I'm going to select this, which is already like a restaurant or something like this, and just going to click directions. And now here I'm going to select, so this is one destination, I'm going to select on choose and then choose on map. You can also enter an address. Basically, this is the first address and this is the next address, that small symbol, red symbol. You just pan the map and stop it at the correct address where you want and just tap OK. That will be the second destination, point on map. And now, once you have two destinations, you notice these are the two, you just go here and select add stops. And it brings you to this new message, and I will just go for search along the route. And again, I'm going to select choose on map. This will be the third destination, choose on map. Again, I have this pointer. If you want, I'm going just to move it to another location, let's say here. You need just to, logically, there's an address there, right? So I'm going to tap OK again. And now at this point, I have three addresses, the first one and the 2 points on map. And you can either just start your drive. Now notice I'm offline here. I don't have the GPS enabled. I have a video showing how to download the map and use it offline, or just connect your data and use your GPS if you want to start driving. So at this point, you can either add more stops or just click preview to start driving. But let's try to add one more stop here just for the sake of the video. Again, search along route. And again, I'm going to choose on map. You can also choose your location if you have the GPS enabled, which I don't now. Choose on map just for this video. Again, this is going to be a fourth destination. I'm going to select it here and tap OK again. Now I have 4 destinations. So let's just try to play a little bit with them. I have them 1, 2, 3. There must be a fourth one someplace. And okay, so if I tap on this area here, notice the 2 stops don't fully show the in-between stops. Let's just tap here. It shows me all the stops and it says point on map. Obviously, if you enter an address, you will see the address here if you type the number and the street. So these are the points, and then you can grab the 2 lines and simply switch in between them as you need. So the original destination may become maybe the departure point. This one's the first destination, but now it's the starting point. Basically, you can also tap on the X to simply remove one of them, and just basically you can also add more, I think. Let me see if I click down here. Yes, I can add another stop and so on. So this is how it works. You cannot really grab the dots here and move. You cannot modify this trajectory if you want directly on the map. The only way to modify it is just tap here to expose this kind of 2 dots, and then you can modify it. Let me show you in real time how it looks. If I modify like this, notice what's happening here. It's just modifying the basically the way, the direction and the sequence of the addresses. Just check the comment section, or maybe I'm going to link your video how to work offline. Again, so when you finish, just tap done and click preview. So this is your preview, and you should just basically engage at this point your GPS and start moving your car to have the drive assistance working for you. If you want to discard everything and maybe start a new something else on the map, simply what you do from this screen here, you just tap on the X here. You have drive, just tap on the X and it should erase everything and you just go back to usual maps.